Hey guys, Matthew Lepre here, and welcome to this quick training. So the question is, do I need to pay tax with e-commerce? And obviously the answer is yes. In Australia and most of the other countries, whenever you are making money, you have to pay the taxes. That's just how it works. But with regards to e-commerce and just getting into e-commerce, then you have two different options when it comes to structuring your business or structuring your company. So there's two different options that you have. The first one is you can register it as an ABN or a sole trader. So obviously you have to come up with a business name. A more generic business name is better. So you can come up with all these different stores which will be under that business name. An ABN and sole trader is initially cheaper and you get taxed based on your income level. So let me show you this. So basically, if you make $0 to $18,000 as a sole trader, then you don't get taxed. If you are between this bracket, then you get taxed 19 cents for each dollar over $18,000. So again, it works by brackets. And to register a sole trader account, best way, cheapest way, just go to register ABN, type that in Google, register ABN, and you want to make sure that you go on the .gov website because that's going to be the correct one. All these other websites will try to rip you off and charge you a lot more money. And then there's another thing that you can register is a company. In most cases, this is a PTY Ltd company, and you don't want to do this to start with unless you already have a company maybe that's making a lot of money. But again, in 99% of the cases, you'll start with an ABN. And then once you do reach a certain income, then you want to convert to a PTY Ltd company. So one of my students, he started making about $50,000 a month, and it was probably a bit too late that we changed over. So we've got him registered with a PTY Ltd company now, and this is just a flat rate on all profits of 27.5%. So basically, it's going to reach a point where you're going to be saving more money by putting it into a company and paying a 27.5% tax. Okay, because once you reach a certain income on the sole trader, then you're going to be paying a lot more tax as you move higher here. So the best thing is speak to your accountant about these two options. That's just my advice. Again, I'm not an accountant, but speak to them about these two options and just be prepared that when you are making a certain amount of income, you want to transfer it into a company eventually. All right, so keep that in mind. Again, any other questions, hit me up on Instagram or through Facebook, and I'll catch you very soon.